This is a lovely question that talks about how you can find the area of a cyclic quadrilateral, that is, a four-sided shape whose corners just touch a circle. There's a related formula called Heron's formula, which is how you can work out the area of a triangle if you just know the side lengths. I'm not going to prove either one here. I thought about it, but it goes into maths a bit beyond the kind of level of the JMC, GCC and a little bit beyond as well, potentially. So you might, however, want to look it up. Heron's formula and Brahmagupta's formula for a cyclic quadrilateral. So for this question here, right, the semi-perimeter is what you get when you add up, you find the perimeter basically. So we're going to add up 7, 5, 4, and 10. But the semi part means we divide it by 2. It's half of the perimeter, a bit like a semicircle is half a circle. So we're going to get 12, 16, 26, it's going to be 13. That means the area is going to be 13. I can just take each one in turn and minus. So 13 minus 7, so 6. 13 minus 5, that's 8. 13 minus 4, that's 9. And 13 minus 10, that's 3. Okay, so we just got to work this out. We could multiply it all together and then get the square root, but actually there's a better way. We can make it like basically write it as a product of prime factors. So 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. So I've got 2 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 4, all square rooted. You could even write this as 2 times 3 to the power of 4. All these little rules of indices come in, which you may or may not have seen. So it's 6 to the power of 4 square rooted. And when you square root a power of 4, you get back to a square. So the answer is simply going to be 6 squared, which is 36. So that's the answer. If you choose to do it by multiplying these out, you're going to get quite a big number. And then you're probably going to have to do it by just trying out some of the numbers. So this number will be beyond 900, which means you can rule out 30 because 30 squared is 900, and then you can work out 36 that way. But this approach is really nice and I hope it makes sense.